Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Come with me to Bunnings for a little bit of a walk around. I'm doing up the garden and of course I'm loving the garden section at the moment, so I thought I'd film some of the trips that I've done recently. We did go in the main entrance because I knew I'd need a trolley for all the soil we're going to get. But yeah, I just thought I would take you for a walk and I hope that you find this video really calming and relaxing. So first up, there was a whole pallet of these bulbs that were here. They're newly in store. I didn't get any, but I might get some later. And I was inspired by this hanging pot. It's exactly what I would love to have in the garden. So it's also why I'm filming stuff, to help inspire me for future projects. I need some potted colour because I really want to have some of those in the garden beds just so it looks really pretty. And we're getting a couple of these that are here. I can't decide on the colours. I like the two tones. I love purples, pinks and whites, and I'm gonna try and get a mixture of everything. Okay, so we've got a little bit of a trolley full. We're going to look around. We do swap them out for later and I'll show you what we do end up getting. I was inspired by all the little succulents that were here. They are so super cute, but we need to get the main part of the garden focused on first and then we can always come back. Oh, the cactuses are so cute, but they're super spiky. I don't really want that in the garden. It probably attacked me. I walked up and down every single aisle because that's what you do. Because one, I wanted to film for you guys, and two, just to enjoy my poor hubby. I dragged him along. I don't think he was very interested in plants, but he does so much to help me, so it's so good. I picked up this little flower pack that was here. I really liked that. And then I picked up this white flower pack as well. I do end up putting back a couple of the potted colours because having the multi-packs that are there, it's kind of the same thing, so that was really good. Just having a look at the other individual flowers, I really want to get some alyssum. I think they're so pretty, and also I've read recently that they're a great near tomato plants to help. So, and of course I am now just spying all of the flowers with yellow stickers. I did pay full price for the flowers that I do have. I wish that maybe I looked around a little bit more, because you'll see coming up later I've been able to get some other flowers at a discount, but still we've got many more pots to fill, so it's okay. This is the soil that we're going to get, and yes, it's cheap, but we have really good topsoil that's underneath it, so it's just a little bit of a kind of top, if that makes any sense. And yeah, as I said, hubby came with me to help film, and strength equals 0. I ended up dropping them on my feet. And then yeah, as someone else commented on another video, I'd already loaded about 5 of these onto the trolley, and then I went, oh, hang on, I better actually read the packet and see what it says. So it says it's good for everything, so let's hope that it is. On our way out, I spotted these lettuces. We love iceberg lettuce, and for $2 I couldn't not take it, so we're going to pick it up. I did and about it, but yeah, I end up grabbing it. And also we got these onions for $1. Anything with a clearance sticker, I'm like, hello. So yeah, we're going to be growing a wide variety of things in the garden. Let's all cross our fingers that they work. So a quick scan through of all the other veggies that were here to see if there's any clearance stickers, mostly on the things that we would eat, which is not kale. So you need to stay there, mate. And then I realized I don't actually have any proper gardening gloves, and everything I do have are those really big fat ones and they are material based and they get dirty and they rip. And so I thought, right, let's actually invest in some really good ones. And the pair that I picked out, oh, I'm so happy with these. Yeah, Invisigrip, and they don't have the material based on them, so my hands do get dirty underneath it, but I find that generally they're still quite well protected. So here's our trolley full of goodies that we have, and that you will see that we planted those in the garden update. Another day and another trip to Bunnings, and oh, look at that, 50 cents cauliflower. Yes please, you're coming home with me. And then I have been on the look for rose bushes forever, and to see some on clearance, well, I had to pick some up because I'll be doing a garden update for you guys and telling you where we're at and what's going on. I see these fruit trees are on clearance, and I so want to get a Granny Smith tree. We have like a lemon tree in the back that is not doing very well, and so I was thinking about swapping it over. And then I saw an almond tree, and again I was like, oh, I so would love one. My grandparents who lived in Broken Hill had one, and every summer we would go and visit, and I would sit there for hours cracking open the almonds. Oh, I so loved it. So here's the little haul that we got from today's visit. I picked up some rose bushes. I didn't get climbing ones, I just thought I'd focus on the bushes. So we have an iceberg white rose, and then this one, I don't know where the tag's gone. I'm spewing because I can't remember what it was either. Yeah, I don't know. And then I've got this one, which is a pink one, a kalinka, if you can say that. And then I got this one because look, Queen Elizabeth rose. Oh, I had to have it. Plus it's pink. So gorgeous. And then I got this one because it's purple. And I really like the name of it, Hybrid Tea. So yes. And then some flowers because they had clearance stickers on them. What can I say? I just got a whole mixture of stuff, so yeah. I have a lot of pots to fill, so why not? I have a plan for the garden of how it's going to look, so subscribe if you haven't already, because I would love to bring you along on the gardening journey with us for sure. I am at another Bunnings. I have about 3 that are all within my distance of traveling, and yes, we finally found some carrots that are marked down. I thought that I only was going to get one, and then I found this one loose at the back, so that was exciting. And even though the cauliflower is marked down, we already have those other 2 from before. And also I got a cheddar cauliflower earlier from another store, which I'll talk to you guys about when I'm doing a garden tour. Back to the Alyssum, I'm having a look for those to be on clearance, and then just checking out all the other flowers that are here. I love these as like a little ground covering. I'm pretty sure we have one at the front of our house, and I'm wondering if I dig it up and move it, if it will survive well in a pot, because I really like the look of it. I think a cottage garden is probably the most favorite garden that I love to look at, especially with the flowers. However, I know that I have chosen completely different flowers, but still, I think it's just the whole atmosphere thing. And I love the bigger colors and then like the little white dainty flowers and flowers like this as well. I also love lavender, and there was quite a few lavender plants that were here. I think they're pretty gorgeous, and even one on clearance which I thought about, but I'm just waiting to see how many pots I do have left over once I do all the flowers, and also where would be a good place to put it. Look at this super cute chocolate box strawberry truffle plant. I wonder what it smells like. I don't have a great sense of smell, so I really wouldn't be able to tell. And then again, the geraniums are here. My mum has a massive geranium plant. It used to run all the way down the back of her fence. Oh, look at this, the speckled blob. Again, would look so good for a ground cover or like the top of a massive pot, especially if you had some colours in there. Oh, climbing plants are here. I thought this was the roses, but these are the different plants. I seriously thought about getting some of these as well. I would love to get like an archway and then have 2 climbing flowers going up and over. And then look at this plant, Happy Duo. That looks so good, purple and white. They're probably one of my favorite flower combinations, as well as some pink. Now, we need to get some tomato plants, but I'm still having a look around to see what I got. I used to have some, I didn't look after them very well and they died. And I am just checking out the different types that they have. Oh, there are so many, yes, for sure. And I really want to get a string of pearls at this price. I was like, maybe not today, but I'll keep my eye out in the Buy Nothing group and see if I can get something similar. I also really love these box hedges. Our neighbour has some and they are doing so well. They look after them really well, and in a whole punnet box like that, I think it's the way to go, so they can plant them and they can grow all at the same time. A Hermes, I thought that was only like handbags and stuff. I don't know anything about flowers and botany, so I've really enjoyed having a wander through today. And of course there are so many clearance stickers with what they are. And we're back to all the spiky plants again, so no thank you. My mum used to have some of these in the front yard. I stabbed myself more than once trying to do weeding and stuff. And then because we're at different Bunnings, they have just brought out another pallet to reload all the succulents, and there's all the different little cute ones. I love all the ornaments and stuff that they have too. They're always so tempting, and just to add a bit of flair to the garden. And then they had all these signs here for the veggies. Oh, so cute. Maybe down the track I might get some, I don't know. But yeah, pretty much everything that we've planted, there's a sign here for it. So I was really tempted. I will just have to see how we go. So here is just the last little collection of flowers I got the other day, again because they will have clearance stickers on them. So as I said, I now need to find pots for everything, and yes, have a very beautiful and colourful garden, because I am planning on actually looking after these ones. Thank you so much for coming with me to Bunnings. I hope you enjoyed having a nice stroll through. I'd love to know what your favourite plant or flower is. Let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up because I so appreciate you watching. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!